Assalamu alaikum. Congratulations to all of you who have got excellent figures and have passed the SSC exam in 2023. My dear students and my dear viewers, now you can easily understand that how and why have I come here today. It's clear to me that almost all of our students have got excellent figure in the SSC exam, and the students who have done excellent figure, they are really devoted to their study. They are really devoted to their study, because without having been devoted to study, no one can hope to get better result. And this year also has proved it. And I have seen one thing is that the students who are obedient to their parents have got excellent figure, because you know it better that mother is the best teacher in the world, and parents can lead a student in a proper way, in a systematic way, by giving proper advices. And I have seen that almost all the students follow their parents, and we have exception also. We have some students who do not like to follow their parents, and so they have to suffer. It is too much common, but almost all the students are devoted to their study, and they always follow the instruction and advices of their parents, so they have done well. And as a teacher, I have been working since 1992, when I started my teaching as a private tutor. Then I was a student of honors second year. But today I am aged enough, but my experience is too long. And I have seen hundreds of superstars, brilliant and extraordinary students who are too much devoted to their mother. Mother is the best love in the world. Mother is the best teacher in the world. So I would like to advise and request to all of you that in future, if you want to do better, and if you want to become great and famous in the world, just follow the advice of your mother. Never neglect your mother. Without respect and without the loving care of your integrity and your honest way, you can't do better. You have passed the SSC exam this year, but the real fight is waiting for you. That is SSC exam, and after passing the SSC exam, then you have to face the admission test, which is very, very difficult. And in order to do better in the upcoming events, college level exams and SSC final, and then admission test, you must be determined. Which can help you to get excellent figure in future also. So my dear students, just follow the discipline of your life, just follow the study schedule, and just maintain the time and utilize every moment of your life. We have some students who waste time watching television and playing games on mobile and computers. I would like to request all of you, please, if someone has such kind of bad habits, please try to avoid it and try to be devoted to study, which can help you to do better in future. Maybe this time you have not done well as you hoped, but next time you may do better also. So never lose your heart. Go forward, try to fight, and go and reach the summit of your success. So I would like to advise all the students who have passed the SSC exam this year that work hard, follow the advice of your parents, and go forward, go ahead with success. Assalamu alaikum.